Located along Highway 99 in the heart of California's Central Valley, Modesto is a city built on agriculture, transportation, and a strong sense of local business pride. From farm supply stores and logistics companies to downtown cafes, tire shops, and family-run taquerias, business owners here are used to working hard and thinking ahead. But while the economy stays active, access to funding doesn't always follow the same pace. Many small businesses in Modesto still deal with delays, credit restrictions, or complicated paperwork when they need working capital. At New York Fast Funding, we offer a better way forward. If your business brings in $10,000 or more per month and has been operating for at least 6 months, you may qualify for fast, flexible funding with no hard credit checks and no unnecessary steps. Whether you're replacing equipment, handling seasonal demand, or keeping up with overhead costs, we help Modesto businesses take the next step without the wait. In Modesto, businesses don't slow down. Now your funding won't either. Apply now at New York Fast Funding.